Richard Beck, and I'm back again today with another custom solution that we came up with in working with our customers to increase their efficiency and reduce the overall space required on their manufacturing floor. So this right here is an adjustable workstation that allows the user to set the settings that they find the most comfortable. So overall, this workstation allows our customer to weld a wide variety of configurations with only a single workstation. So how this works is we have interchangeable tooling and a rack on the back that holds the tooling. To change out a tool, you simply loosen the GM nut, and it's a quick pin that pops out. Once you've released the locking pin, the tooling can be lifted off and placed in the rack. Additional tooling at that point can then be selected and loaded into position. Reattach the locking pin, tighten it down, and you're good to go. At this point, I'm going to bring you in closer and we can get a good look at how this works. So once the operator has selected the correct tooling, they go ahead and they load their first part. Now, this tooling has guides that guide the part into position as they're lowering it down. So the operator doesn't have to struggle with figuring out how to get the part in there. You simply hold the part above the tooling. As you lower it, these angled plates guide it into position. So once it's down and it's supported horizontally and located, at that point you apply this locating plug, and that locks in this location, and you clamp it into position. So now part A is locked into position, and additional parts are ready to be added to the weld fixture. So at this point, the operator will load part B. Now, depending on what configuration, they might not need to load part C, but it's there. That way they don't have to switch tooling when they're running that configuration. So at this point, they would load either both parts or just one part, and then they go ahead and they lower and clamp that into position. So now they're ready to weld. So with this fixture out of the way, they're going to go ahead and they're going to weld all the things that can be reached from the top. Now clearly you can't have your operators crawling under the table to weld everything on the bottom. That's just not feasible. There's no way you're going to maintain employment with those type of working conditions. So we went ahead and we've made this a lot more ergonomic. You simply tip it, and now the operator can weld and access the bottom of the part and complete the process. So then they rotate it back, lock it in position, and they add the fourth part. Now, with this fourth part in position and the clamps in position, previously they really struggled to weld those first couple parts. So, what we did is we developed a moving clamp. So this locks into position, and it's held securely, and has a high level of repeatability. At this point, the operator will load the fourth part into position, they'll clamp it, and they'll go ahead and they'll complete their welds. Also, you'll notice these spatter guards are black oxide coated, reducing slag's ability to stick, and this also shields and covers the sensitive parts that need to maintain a pristine cosmetic finish. So, that's all covered. We've got covers on the linear rails to keep them functioning in good condition. And overall, this has allowed our customer to eliminate quite a few workstations and replace it with a single workstation. This gives them a lot more extra space in their manufacturing facility, which is always a big win. So, if you have some type of application where you want to become more efficient and use less space in your manufacturing facility, please give us a call. The phone number will be below in the video description, as well as links to our LinkedIn and our company website. I'm Richard Beck with Glaze Tool, and I thank you for watching today's video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who may also need these types of solutions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.